Hi everyone, we are going to exercise our muscles today, just using something we have in our house. So what we need are some tin cans, and you're going to need, tin cans are about 400 grams in weight, and later on we're going to need a smaller tin can, which is this size here. Okay, so why do we need to strengthen our muscles? And we're specifically today going to focus on the muscles in our shoulders. Now we need to strengthen those muscles in our shoulders because we want to be able to sit and to be able to write for longer times when we get to big school. Now the games I'm going to show are not just for the children in our class. We can also use those same games to help all the children in Teacher Bonnie and Teacher Amy and Teacher Jean's class, because we can start at a lower level and very easy level and work our way up. And the guys in my class, you should also start at the level 1 at easy and then work your way up, because you'll see, oh, this is so easy, I want to do the next level. So you're going to give this a go. What you need for our first one is we're going to strengthen those hand muscles, and that'll help us with writing. So easy, tin can and some elastics. So the first easy one will just be putting the elastic over the tin can. Really as easy as that. But now to make it a little bit tricky for my guys is we can double up the elastic. So you're going to double it over by twisting it. And now even I'm going to have to use both my hands to try and get that over the tin can. And you can see if you can cover that whole tin can in elastics. Okay, easy. That is one fun game that you can spend to get your hands nice and strong. Okay, another game. Now we're going to strengthen our shoulders. So we need those 3 big tin cans. All right, here we go. So 1, 2, and let's get one more. 3. Now, if we hold out our tin cans like that, we are strengthening the muscles in the shoulder. Now, with 3 tin cans, that's about at least 1 kilogram's worth of weight that you're going to be holding up. Great for building muscles, okay? So watch how I'm going to do it. Holding my hands up, I'm going to take the top tin with my right hand and take it to the bottom. Now my left hand to the bottom, right hand to the bottom, left, and I can keep on going. I could go the other way too, from the top. All the time strengthening those muscles. And you can have your mom or dad do this with you at the same time and see, maybe you can go a bit faster and see how far you can go. Right, easy peasy, nice strong shoulders for big school. Okay, now we're going to use some more skills, some bilateral skills, meaning we're using the right and the left side of the body, and we're going to use some problem solving skills and coordination. Okay, so for this game, you will need a baking tray and one of those tin cans, and we're going to start off by doing something pretty easy. We're just going to roll our tin can on our baking tray from left to right. Now this is pretty easy, but it does take some coordination to make sure that the tin doesn't roll off the edge. But whilst the edge is there, it does make it a little bit easy. Once you've worked this out, you can flip the baking sheet over. Ha! Now we don't have any sides. Let's give it a go. Put the tin in the middle. And now we can roll it, but we've got to be a little bit careful so that it doesn't roll off the baking tray. Alright. Now we can even make it more fun. We can add some stickers to pick up. Now, if you want, you can start with your stickers on this side of the baking tray, but I'm going to show you on this side. Right. So the tin I used, just to help me pick up the stickers a bit easier, I covered the tin with paper just to make it a bit thicker. Sometimes it depends on the thickness of your stickers. Just see how you go and watch what I'm doing, and then you'll see how you can adjust it at home. So I covered one of my tin cans with paper, and now I'm going to stick some stickers on. Right, any stickers. I'm sure you might have more fun stickers than this. Mine are just plain, but what I could do later is I could put numbers on this. Right, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to place my stickers sticky side up on the tray like that, and put another one on the other side like that, and now I've got a little goal or something to aim for with my tin can. So I'm going to put that there in the middle, and mom and dad can put the tin for you, and then you can be holding the tray. Now let's see if we can pick up one at a time. Right, we're going to go fetch, oh, and we mustn't fall over the edge. And now we're going to go and fetch the other one. Keep going so that we don't go over the edge. Ah, And I've picked up my 2 stickers. Now, like I said just now, if you wanted to make this a little bit more next level, you could write numbers or even letters on these. And at the end go, oh, what number did you pick up? What letter did you pick up? So the blank stickers would be great for that. Now you can make it even more challenging. So we're going to try the next level. So if we put a sticker this side again, and another sticker in the same place, and another sticker now in the middle, and another one over here. Now we've got this. All right, so remember, you can do this while standing, or if you want, kneeling on your knees, but it mustn't be low down. You must be standing up to kneel. Okay, so we're going to put this in the middle. Now the trick is going to be, we're going to go from one side to the next. We can't pick up all the stickers and then all the stickers. We're going to try and alternate it, just to make it trickier. But of course you could pick them all that way and pick them all up that way. But let's give this a go. Right, so that's one sticker. Now we're going to go this way, right? And now we're going to go left. And now we're going to go that way. Oh, got to go back and pick up that sticker. Oh no, it turned over, but that's okay. You can get the idea. Now, I could even challenge myself a little bit more and add 2 tin cans. So now you can see the levels are going higher and higher. So don't just jump to the next level and think, oh, I've got this. You're going to have to practice a few times at the various levels before you get to the last level. Okay, so we could do that with the stickers. And remember I said you could try getting a small tin can. So now you could do this. You could put the big tin can on and the small tin can. But you might want to start on the other side of the baking tray because it's got a lip. The big tin can will pick up the stickers, but the small tin can is going to be a little bit confusing because it moves at a different space. So if I just pick it up, you can see that all of a sudden I've got one that moves faster and one that moves slower. So there's a challenge for you as well. And all of that, whilst you're holding the baking tray, will keep your shoulders nice and strong. And if you're standing or kneeling up high, you'll also be using your core muscles. So there we go. We've got coordination. We can even use numbers and letter recognition. We have got bilateral exercises, all just with using tin cans. Okay, guys, so strengthen those muscles for me and have fun. Bye, everyone.